Hey guys, today I have a $1,000 PC build. Let's get started. Let's get started with the case. It's the NZXT H510i. It comes with 2 fans and 2 built-in LED strips. Here you see the cable tray. Here you can hide the cables. The next thing is Hyperx Fury memory. It's 16GB, 2x8, 3200 MHz memory. This is perfect for this build. It has RGB. The next part is the hard drive. I've chosen a Seagate Barracuda 4TB hard drive. It is in a 3.5-inch form factor. Then, for the processor, I've chosen the Ryzen 5 3600. It's a really nice processor. It has 6 cores, clocked at 3.6 GHz, up to 4.2 GHz turbo boost. Then, for the SSD, I've chosen the Corsair MP400. It's a really nice 1TB SSD. The power supply is a 650 watts Seasonic power supply. It has 5 years warranty. It's not modular, but is 80+ bronze certified. The graphics card is a 760, but no worries, that's not in the price. In the price is a 3060, but I couldn't get my hands on one. This graphics card I've bought second hand. For the motherboard, I've chosen the ASUS TUF Gaming B550M Plus motherboard. It's a M80X motherboard with 4 DIMM slots and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is the I/O. 6 USB ports and 1 ultra-fast USB port. It also has a 2.5 GHz Ethernet connector. This is the PC if it's built. Thank you all so much for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing and leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.